Hi.
We're making honey, butter, and homemade bread.
Honey butter and homemade bread?
Yeah.
You're making homemade bread?
Yeah.
How do you know how to do that? Oh, cool. Honey butter with homemade bread.
We're following a recipe, huh?
Are you following a recipe?
Yeah.
Are you reading it?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you tell us what you've already done?
Yeah, show us what you did already. What did we do first? Very first thing, what did we do? Oh, what's that?
Butter and honey.
Butter and honey. Yummy.
This.
What did you do next? What's in there?
Milk.
What else?
Milk, salt, and sugar.
And I already put it away. Remember the thing that we poured and it spilled a little bit? What was that?
Sugar.
No, it was the liquid one.
Vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we stirred that up in there, right? And then what did we do?
This.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? What's in there?
Candy and yeast.
Huh?
Water.
Water.
And
with the yeast.
Yeast. That's
yes.
right. Yep.
And
Yeast.
and we'd set the timer for 10 minutes, right? And we're gonna watch it bubble up. Is it starting to bubble? A little bit.
Yeah.
Hold it still so that you can see.
Yeah.
See the bubbles coming up? The yeast is doing that.
We're proofing the yeast. We're activating it. It's going to make the bread rise. Right?
Uh-huh.
And then once the bread's done, what are we gonna eat it with?
That.
With butter and honey and what else?
That.
What is that?
Soup.
Soup. Meatball soup.
Soup. All right. How much time is left on the timer?
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Right.
Okay, we'll see you in 6 minutes to add the flour. See ya. Too salty.
You really think it needs to go?
Now what are we doing, Will?
Now what are we doing? Where are we at?
We are, okay, watch, it should bubble up pretty good. Okay, number 3. Read number 3. Pour.
Pour the yeast mixture on top of the milk and stir.
Did you pour it?
Oh. Pour.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at those yeasty chunks.
Stir it well.
Is a wooden spatula fine?
Yep.
Ah! Ah, you're so weak.
What?
Okay, now what?
What?
Now what? After you stir it well, then what do you do?
Add flour 1 cup.
How many cups of flour?
1 cup.
Just 1 cup, or we're gonna need a bunch of cups?
I say 1 cup.
All right, here, let's put 1 cup in here.
Does it say
One cup at a time.
1 cup at a time?
That's 1.
Ooh.
Stir it up. Maybe we'll come back after we've got all the cups of flour in. What have we added?
5.
4.
4.
And now this is 5. Here, you pour that in. 5 cups.
Oh.
All right, stir it up. I'll hold the bowl for you.
What does the dough look like, Will?
Can I show 'em?
Is it getting pretty stiff?
Yeah.
Is it getting hard to stir? Do we need Russell's muscles?
Russell's not here. Why don't we use Dad's muscles? Here.
Okay, how about if you hold the bowl and I'll do some stirring? Whoa. Sure smells like dough. Smells like dough that I used to make in the pizza places. Not gluten-free pizza. Regular pizza. Gluten-filled pizza. Does it look delicious or does it look funky?
Looks delicious.
It does? It's not a solid lump. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what did the directions say?
Directions say?
Mm-hmm. You better read them.
Okay.
Turn it around and read the directions for after this. Will?
Okay. Where are directions? Right there.
Mm-hmm.
When all the flour is mixed in, put a clean towel over the top
And then what?
of the bowl. And put the bowl in a warm place. When you put the bowl aside, turn the oven to 375 degrees. Let the dough rise for about 1 hour.
Okay, put the
Okay.
towel over the top and then we'll put it on top of the stove.
Okay. Oh, okay, what is that?
Because that will be a warm place once we
Alright.
turn the oven on.
Yeah, we'll put it over here. So let's see.
Make sure we don't catch fire. I just don't want it to be hanging off the side.
All right, so it'll be ready at 5:30.
Did it say to preheat the oven? Already?
Yeah,
An
but we
hour.
need to heat it for
Okay,
an
but
hour.
we do need to set the timer for an hour.
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Let's set this one. Timer. How much is an hour? Is that an hour right there?
1
Okay.
hour? Yeah.
Will, take a look at this and see what it looks like right now. See what it looks like? In an hour, hopefully it's going to get a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's gonna go.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna puff up.
So we'll put the towel over it and we'll come back in an hour and see if it has puffed up. Okay?
Okay.
Poof up.
Okay, here's the next directions. Can you read that for me, please?
Stir the dough with a wooden spoon.
And then turn it out of the bowl onto a floured wooden cutting board.
Well, we'll just use the counter. We don't need that.
Okay, let's see. Let's scoot this over here.